Hello everyone, my name is Minisethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about classical management theories, in which we will talk about bureaucratic theory, which is given by Max Weber, administrative management theory, which is given by Henri Fayol, and scientific management theory, which is given by F.W. Taylor. One by one we will discuss about each. Firstly, we are going to talk about bureaucratic theory of management. This theory is given by Max Weber. Max Weber was German scientist. He defined bureaucracy as an institution which is highly organized and formalized. Max Weber defined bureaucracy as an institution which is highly organized and formalized. This theory defines system of organization in which tasks, duties and responsibilities, procedure, rules and regulations are clearly and well defined. Or we can say that in bureaucratic organization, we clearly define tasks, duties, responsibilities, rule and regulation for every employees, and every employees has to work under these rules and regulation. They cannot break these rule and regulation, or we can say that they cannot give their own ideas or suggestions. Now we are going to talk about characteristics of bureaucracy. First characteristic is hierarchical management structure. In bureaucratic organization, we must have proper hierarchical management structure. That means every lower officer should be controlled and supervised by their higher officer. Every lower officer should be controlled and supervised by their higher officer. Next is division of labor. Division of labor means the tasks are divided between employees according to their specialization. Or we can say that tasks are divided between employees according to their skills. Next is formal rules and regulation. There are some rules and regulation, and employees have to work according to these rules and regulation. They cannot break these rule and regulation, or we can say that they cannot give their own ideas or suggestions. Next is impersonality. Impersonality means all employees will be treated at same way. All employees will be treated at same way, and personal feeling will not interfere in organization decision, means there is no favoritism or nepotism. Last is official record. There should be proper written record of all activities or procedures. Now we are going to talk about administrative theory of management. This theory is given by Henri Fayol. He is known as father of administrative management, and Henri Fayol gave 14 principles of management. First principle is division of work. Division of work means divide work into small tasks, then assign work to employees according to their specialization. Next principle is authority and responsibility. According to Henri Fayol, there should be proper balance between authority and responsibility. Next is discipline. According to Henri Fayol, discipline is required to maintain efficiency in organization. Next principle is unity of command. According to this principle, employees is responsible to only one supervisor. Means employees don't have so many supervisor. He is responsible to only one supervisor. Next is unity of direction. According to this principle, all employees will work in same direction, or we can say that all employees will work for same objective. Next is collective interest over individual interest. Organization should consider overall interest of team rather than interest of only one person. Next is remuneration. Employees should be paid fair wage rate. Next principle is degree of centralization. Centralization means all power and decision making authority is in the hand of top level management. On the other hand, decentralization means all level of management have a power and decision making authority. According to this principle, there should be proper balance between centralization and decentralization. Next principle is scalar chain. Scalar chain is the position of authority from top level to bottom level for the purpose of communication. For example, firstly A will give message to B, then B will pass this message to C, then C will pass this message to D. According to this principle, there should be clear chain of communication and every employee must follow this chain except from some emergencies. Next principle is order. According to this principle, our resources like people and raw material must be in suitable place. Next is equity. Manager should treat every employee with kindness and justice. Next is stability of tenure of personnel. According to this principle, manager should try to minimize staff turnover and provide job security to their employees. Next principle is initiative. Initiative is a quality that shows we are willing to take responsibility, and managers should encourage initiative in their employees. Last is esprit de corps, that means team spirit, and managers should encourage team spirit among their employees. Now we are going to talk about scientific management theory. This theory is given by F.W. Taylor, and main aim of this theory to improve productivity and efficiency in industry by applying scientific methods of work. Now we will see principles of scientific management. First principle is science, not rule of thumb. Taylor focus on scientific study and he replaced all old rule of thumbs because scientific study is based on cause and effect relation. Next is harmony, no discord. Taylor emphasized that there should be no conflict between manager and workers. Both should understand importance of each other and work together to achieve organization goal. Next principle is cooperation, not individualism. According to this principle, there should be cooperation between management and workers, and for maintaining cooperation, a manager should take ideas and suggestions of their employees. Last is development of workers to their greatest efficiency. Taylor focus on efficiency of workers. That's why he suggests scientific methods of selection and assign employees work according to their specialization and give them proper training. So this is all about classical theories of management. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.